Hi. If you're having like audio problems inside of After Effects, it usually happens where it slows down and it sounds very low pitched. Then all you need to do is take the MP4 file that is in your After Effects project and you need to convert it to an MOV file. So you just go to a website like this. It's called Cloud Convert, and it converts your MP4s to MOV. So literally just come in here, select your file, whatever. I have like, oh goddamn, from my computer, let's go like something like this. Yeah, so this is mostly, this is all pictures, but you get the gist. You just select a file that is MP4, convert it to MOV, you'll be able to download it, and this is a free site and your audio will be fixed.